Music has always been one of the most powerful engines of culture, entertainment, and audience engagement on the planet. In fact, the global recorded music industry is now nearly $30 billion in size, and it continues to grow year after year as streaming and digital consumption dominate how we listen today. But here's something crazy. Beyond billions of dollars in revenue, music streaming and music video consumption generate trillions of plays and views globally every year. And platforms like YouTube alone have billions of active users engaging with music content daily. So when you think about how massive this industry is, billions in revenue, trillions of streams, and millions of views every single day, the question isn't, is music still popular? It's, why aren't more creators making music themselves? And that's exactly what we're doing in today's video. We're going to create our own music using AI, transform that music into a music video using AI, and publish it live, all from scratch. To do this, I'm going to use tools you've probably heard of, like ChatGPT to write detailed music prompts, Suno to generate the actual song audio, and then BeatViz to turn that audio into a fully animated music video. This is going to be fun. So if you've ever wondered, can AI really make a song and a music video? Stick around, because we're about to find out.
Now let's create the music. I'll start by opening ChatGPT and describing the kind of song I want. The mood, the vibe, the energy. You don't need anything complex, just clearly explain what you're imagining. After that, ChatGPT might ask you a few follow-up questions, maybe about the tempo, emotion, structure, or vocal style. Just answer those properly. The more clarity you give, the better the output will be. I'll leave all the prompts I use in the description so you can test the same workflow. Once ChatGPT structures the idea into a clean, optimized music prompt, I'll head over to Suno and paste it directly into the generator. You can use simple mode for speed, or switch to custom mode if you want deeper control, like defining lyrics, choosing vocal style, excluding genres, or adjusting tone. If you're serious about the output, custom mode definitely gives you more precision. For now, I'm keeping it simple. I paste the prompt, click Create, and within moments, our song is ready. Let's preview it.
Walked in, time felt quiet. Every sound, a step behind.
Honestly, that sounds solid. Now the important part, we need the track link. I'll open the song and copy its URL because this is what we'll use next to transform this audio into a full music video. And this is where things get interesting. Let's move to BeatViz. Now let's turn this song into a proper music video. Once you're on the BeatViz website, you'll notice the interface is clean and well organized. To begin, just click on Create in the top right corner. On the left side, you'll see multiple sections: Music Video Agent, Music Video Studio, Explore, My Creations, Custom Video Generation, Music Generation, Music Analyzer, and even Start and End Frame Generator. The Start and End Frame Generator is especially powerful because it helps maintain visual consistency across scenes. But for now, I'll start with Music Video Agent. Inside, you'll see two options: Simple Mode and Custom Mode. Custom Mode gives you deeper control, but I'm using Simple Mode right now to demonstrate how intelligently the system interprets music. First, add your music. You can either upload an audio file or paste the Suno link we copied earlier. I'll paste the link and click Import Music. Once the music is imported, you can choose the duration. I'm keeping it full length. Below that, there's an optional field where you can describe the music video effect. You can add creative direction here, but I'll leave it empty to let the AI interpret the track organically. Next, select the content mode. You have options like storytelling, singing, dancing, or abstract. I'm choosing storytelling because I want a narrative-driven visual. Then comes the generation settings. You can choose standard or pro mode. I'm selecting pro for higher quality visuals. Resolution to 1080p and aspect ratio to 16:9. You can also add a character preset or generate one using AI if you want consistent protagonists across scenes. For this example, I'll skip that. Now for emotional and visual direction. Under emotion, I'll select dreamy and ethereal. For vibe, I'll choose happy and uplifting. And under visual style, I'll go with fairy tale illustration. Once everything is set, I'll click Generate. Now here's something important. BeatViz doesn't immediately render the final video. First, it analyzes your music, the tempo, rhythm, emotional shifts, intensity changes. And based on that analysis, it prepares 3 different creative directions. Instead of locking you into one automated output, it gives you narrative options. As you can see, it has generated 3 distinct concepts. Each one comes with its own theme, mood, and storytelling approach. You can read the summaries, understand the creative intent, and decide which interpretation fits your vision. In my case, I'm selecting the first option, and once I confirm that selection, BeatViz uses that chosen creative direction to generate the full storyboard and timeline. So now it's not just generating random visuals, it's building a structured narrative based on your choice. After this, the storyboard appears. You'll see a complete timeline prepared for you. Each segment is editable. You can click Edit to refine prompts, regenerate specific scenes, or adjust the creative direction. Once you're satisfied, simply click Generate All Video Segments, and that's when the final rendering begins. Alright, as you can see, all our video segments have been successfully generated. Before finalizing anything, you can preview each clip individually. If you like a segment, you keep it. If something feels slightly off, you can regenerate just that part. You're not locked into the first result. Now what I'll do is quickly go through all the segments and make sure everything aligns with my vision, the mood, the pacing, the transitions, just to confirm it matches the original intent of the track. Everything looks good to me. So now I'll click Confirm and Compose Video. Once you click that, BeatViz starts stitching all the segments together into one final, polished music video. The composition process begins immediately. Let's wait a few moments. As you can see, our final music video has been generated successfully. Let's preview it.
You walked in, time felt quiet. Every sound a step behind. Little laugh, my world rewind.
This looks incredible. The character consistency, the transitions, the animation flow, everything feels intentional. It doesn't look like disconnected AI-generated clips. It feels structured. Every cut feels precise. The pacing matches the music naturally, and that's the biggest difference. It feels like a cohesive music video, not random visuals stitched together. Now, to download it, simply click on Download Video. That's it.